It's my 4th year as the principal here at Tomas Rivera, but I'm very familiar with the community. In my prior role, I was a bilingual facilitator, and so I worked really closely with families, and I do still work with families here, of course, and they're the same families. So it's a very tight-knit community, and people know each other very well.
We are so proud that Val Verde Unified School District received a $32 million grant. We were awarded this grant back in May of 2024. We are in the process of waiting for the funds to be released so that we can fully implement the vision of community schools for all of our sites.
Our Community Resource and Learning Center, we have services that include a laundromat and a community store. Direct services for some of our students and our families, we offer ESL classes, we offer parent workshops. Any type of services that we're providing, we're doing that with our partners throughout the county and the city of Perris.
The community center over there is actually really helpful. I've used toothpaste in there before because I was in a rush and I needed some to brush my teeth. And it's really helpful and convenient that it's there for us and other people in the community as well.
Our suspensions are down, our office referrals are down, our low-level referrals are down, and we're really encouraging our students to get involved.
There's after-school program, there's baking classes in the school that helps a lot when my parents can't pick me up on time. Or there's like wood shop where they're making new benches for the community center.
Really, Tomas really welcomes anybody, so they really have like stuff for everyone to enjoy, even though if you're not into one thing, they might have the other. So that's what I think is really fun.
What I've seen is that sometimes when you just put yourself out there and you keep what's best for kids at your core, beautiful things happen.